Garbage. Garbage is wasted material after the end of process. Garbage is defined by human based on the degrees of the use. In natural process actually, there is no concept of garbage. There are only products produced after and during the process was held. Because in human life, there is a definition of environment concept. Garbage can be divided based on types. The location of waste management, which is inadequate and uncontrolled, is a suitable place for some organisms and a threat to for-use animals like fleas and dogs, which can cause the potential danger of health that can inflict by garbage are as follows: cholera and typhus that spread rapidly because of the virus that derived from improper waste management can be mingled with drinking water, a disease of dengue fever that can also increase rapidly in regions with less adequate management of garbage. A fungus disease, that can spread through the food chain. An example is a disease by the power pump. A report says that in Japan about 14,000 people died due to consuming fish that has been contaminated by mercury. Mercury is derived from garbage dumped into the sea by the factory that produces a battery and accumulator. Sewage liquid waste that goes into the river will pollute water or drainage. A variety of organisms, including fish, can die so that some species will disappear. That causes a changing of biological water ecosystem. The decomposition of garbage dumped into the water will produce an organic acid and gas liquid organic, such as methane. Besides, the smelling is bad. The gas can explode in a high concentration. Waste management that is detrimental can form an uncomfortable environment for the people. Unpleasant and bad smell because the garbage scattered everywhere. It gives negative impact on tourism. Inadequate waste management cause low level of public health. The important thing there is increasing interest from the dirty people in the hospital. Solid waste disposal to the main water can cause flood and will give the impact to the facilities and public service such as roads, the bridge, drainage, and others. Other infrastructure can also be affected by inadequate waste management. As high as the cost to water conservation, people also tend to throw garbage on the road. This case cause the road is needed often cleaning and repairing. To handle and solve this problem, I think it is not only the government responsibility but also the community. We must also participate in helping government. How to do it? It is easy. Just fix first the ethic of disposing the garbage in the right way and age. Train ourselves to dispose the waste in the right place. It is too easy. It is easy to say, but I feel difficult to do everything. Should be based on with the inner intention. Then, what should we do? We do with the garbage or waste tea? Maybe we can try the three following ideas, which are reuse it as the scrap, recycle it, and use it as the basic building material.